Hi, Yellow Spellers. This week we're talking about the long oo sound and the short sound. Okay, so the long oo sound can be spelled three different ways. It can be spelled with two O's. The spelling pattern can be EW, and the spelling pattern can be OU. Now it's tricky because the long double O vowel sound says oo, and the short double O vowel sound says So if you look at the word took, I took the candy from the cupboard. Took. And if you look at the word noon, at noon I will eat lunch. So noon is 12 o'clock. 12 o'clock p.m. So noon I will eat lunch. That makes the long oo sound. But the short double O vowel sound is So oo and Okay, now if I look at the long oo vowel sound, it can also be spelled with an EW. So the word blue. Now, this isn't the color blue. This is I blew bubbles. The color blue is spelled like this. Blue. Another long oo vowel sound is spelled with an O and a U, like in the word group. So in school you're working with many different groups. Okay, so there's a lot more short vowel sounds. Spelling pattern with two O's. So a hoof on a horse. Hood. If you wear a sweatshirt, you have a hood. A hood. Shook. I shook your hand. Cook, book. Okay, this is all one word. It's not separate words. Okay, cookbook is one word. Cookbook. Wood. Now this is the wood that you use for a campfire. The sight word wood is spelled like this. W-O-U-L-D. So that's a second grade sight word. Wood. I would go outside with you. But our wood this week is the wood you use to make a campfire. Stood. Ood. I stood in a very long line to get some ice cream. Nook. So maybe there's a little reading nook that you have in your house. Foot. So now, if I'm trying to decide how to spell these words, I could try using the long oo vowel sound, but I know that it doesn't sound right. So if I use long oo vowel sound in the word stood, stewed, that doesn't sound like a word, but stood sounds like a word. If I put the long vowel sound in foot, foot. Foot doesn't sound like a word. Foot sounds like a word. Okay, another short vowel sound is books. And cook. But you also have cookbook. And I think I got them all. So I want you to I want to see if you can think of other long oo vowel sounds. We've already talked about long oo vowel sound, but I wanted to include some. But see if you can think of some more. I want you to write each word in your writing notebook 3 times each. Your word work activities is on our spelling and phonics page on our website. There's also word work options for you to do in the choice boards on our website.